In this video, we'll guide you through how to fix your Discord microphone not working on mobile. This can be really annoying, so let's go through some fixes you can try. First, make sure you're not muted. Look at the bottom of the screen, and you'll see a microphone icon. If it has a line through it, that means you're muted. Just tap it to unmute yourself and check if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, the next thing you should do is make sure Discord has permission to access your microphone. To do that, exit Discord, go to your phone settings, and scroll down to find apps. You can do this on Android or iOS. Find Discord in the list, and go to the permissions section. Make sure the microphone permission is turned on, like so. Once that's done, check if Discord can now use your microphone. If it still isn't working, open Discord. Press the gear icon in the bottom right to go to your settings, and then tap on Voice and Video under the app settings. Look for Input Mode and switch it to Voice Activity. This means you don't need to push a button to talk. If it's already on that setting, try adjusting the sensitivity. If it's too high, it might not register your voice properly. You can decrease the sensitivity or even try turning it off and adjusting it manually. Lastly, if the problem still isn't solved, try calling another user. Sometimes the issue might be on the other person's end, which is why they can't hear you. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.